Very short video, guys, to show you what the Xiaomi is doing here in the 3dMark test, running at almost 50 Celsius, at somewhere even I think to 51, 49.2 guys, and now this is going to be the last test. I do expect to get better results compared to the Oppo Find X6 Pro. Why? I did not observe so many big drops in the frames per second. But okay, let's just see how much we're gonna get. This now is the final call. This video shot, by the way, on the Oppo. Alright, your benchmark is running. Oh wow! 80% stability, who would have thought? So guys, let's just see what we have here. The highest round 3698, the lowest loop score almost 3000, 80% stability, and the stress test looks just amazing, so no tampering whatsoever. You can just see here the first loop frame rate versus the last one. The battery from 96% to 83%, so it's 30%, and you can also see, guys, 27 Celsius to 51 Celsius. This here is the battery versus the frame rate, so the battery drop is the line above, and the frame rate very stable. Also, this is something that, guys, I would like to see also on my Oppo. Temperature raises, alright, but no heavy throttling whatsoever, and this is the frame rate, is very stable, by the way. So honestly, I'm a bit impressed from what I see on the screen. Let me just do a short recap, guys, for you. I am running the Wildlife Extreme Stress Test on the Xiaomi 13 device. And I'm really impressed. So this is a stable curve with just two big drops. The first one is soon after run number 3, and the last one happens on run number 18. But overall, guys, this is really stable AF. You see what I mean here? Very good results, guys, and I really hope to be able to replicate this also on my Oppo. So let me guys know if you want more tests on this. I already know the answer, guys. The answer is absolutely yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play some Genshin, put also the Oppo there, and try to do a full comparison. And guys, of course, right now, these days, I'm focusing on the camera. S23 Ultra, Oppo Find X6 Pro, and also the Xiaomi. But right now, guys, just observe here this test. This is really some very good results from the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Absolutely stock out of the box, no performance mode, nothing, no tempering whatsoever. If you like this, then make sure to also follow the next videos, guys. You might as well want to support the channel, and stay safe. VST over, and bye.